Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat a Mac Maharaja burger. This large, delicious burger requires a specific approach to fully enjoy. First, ensure you have a stable surface and plenty of napkins ready. Hold the burger firmly with both hands, positioning your thumbs and fingers to support the bun and fillings. This prevents any ingredients from slipping out as you take your first bite. To truly savor the Mac Maharaja, aim for a bite that encompasses all its delicious layers. Gently compress the burger before each bite to make it more compact and easier to manage. This also helps to meld the flavors together. Tilt your head slightly as you bring the burger to your mouth, ensuring a comfortable and effective eating angle. Enhance your Mac Maharaja experience by pairing it with a refreshing cold drink, like a soda or iced tea, to cleanse your palate between bites. Some people enjoy alternating between burger bites and a few fries, which can add a nice textural contrast. Take your time to appreciate the unique blend of spices, sauces, and fresh ingredients that make this burger special. As you near the end of your Mac Maharaja, don't hesitate to use a fork for any delicious pieces that might have fallen onto your tray. This ensures you don't miss out on any flavor. Remember to keep those napkins handy for a clean finish. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. Also, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, you'll find a link there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.